Hi friends, this video shows how to open Google Play Store app. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to apps. Go to see all apps. Here you can see list of all apps installed in this device. Go down, set show system apps. So now we can see all system apps. From this list we need to find Google Play Store. Go down. See here you can see Google Play Store. Set it. Set open. See now we are seeing Google Play Store app. See here on top you can see apps, then games. See, and here you can search. Here we can search for apps and games. So this way we can directly open Google Play Store app. Then we can search and install apps and games. Okay, you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.